My car's not turning on. Oh god. Really? Brittany might be out of commission for the rest of the day today, guys. What is going on, guys? Welcome back again to another Danny C and Brittany video. This is actually the day right after Thanksgiving, so I hope you guys had like an amazing Thanksgiving with your family and your loved ones. I really appreciate you guys, and I'm really thankful for you guys and all the support you've given me throughout my whole YouTube career. So I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this camera in one of my videos. I think it's the POV video, and a lot of you guys were wondering whose Camaro this was, and it's actually my brother-in-law's. And the Camaro, sadly, automatic. So I was thinking yesterday, I was just thinking, I'm like, what if I teach my brother-in-law how to drive manual in Brittany? And yeah, so that's basically where we're at right now. Is it gonna be very risky and scary? Yes. Is it gonna be good content for you guys? Yes. Oh, and I actually almost forgot to show you guys. Here, I had it in my pocket, but I don't know how I forgot. So, what's the one thing we all hate about Brittany? The banner, right? I know. So this company, you guys have heard me talking about them all the time. So-called Z actually sent me out a lot of things, like a hat, shirt, and all that. Shout out to them. But they also sent me out, guys, the banner I've always wanted. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's like those sun visor banners, and the cutout says Danny Z on it. I'll probably make a whole video installing it, but I just wanted to show you guys because I'm super excited. So you guys, before this video starts, if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 10,000. There's gonna be a lot of giveaways in 10,000. Not two, not one, well, not two, not one, not two, not three. There's gonna be various giveaway, guys, so make sure you guys subscribe, share with your friends, and join the movement. With that said, let's go back to the video. I'm gonna go ahead and get him right now, and hope you guys enjoy this, because I'm doing this just for you guys. And I actually kind of want to show him how to drive stick, because he's been asking me for the longest time.
No.
Basically in the middle of the street, like I was. Okay, so yeah, you ready?
Yes, ready.
Okay, so just to give you a quick walk around. Okay, so every time you want to go into gear or out of gear or anything, you always have to put the clutch in, because if I don't have the clutch in right now, see, it doesn't go into gear. I'm not pushing it, guys, don't worry. So clutch in, then you can easily go into gear. But if you don't accelerate and do it right, when you let the clutch out, it stalls. The car turns off. So if you're into gear and you let the clutch out, accelerate, the car stalls. That's why you have to play with the accelerator and the clutch. Excuse my feet, guys. Like always, you have the clutch, you have the brake, you have the accelerator. Then right here, you have first gear, second gear straight down. Then when you go from first to third, you don't go straight up. You have to go this second. You have to go at an angle. That's third. Then fourth is straight down. Then fifth. Then sixth. But obviously, I don't think we're gonna go to like third or fourth. My baby, it's on your hands.
My hands.
The whole Z community has been trusting you. Safety first. Make sure you put your seatbelt. Okay, first, let's go ahead and turn on the car. To turn on the car, you have to put the clutch in all the way in. The clutch all the way in. All the way in. It's really hard, I know. Is it more comfortable if you push yourself forward? ¿Quieres estar más para adelante, or are you good there? So clutch all the way in. Is it all the way in? No, you can't let it out. Keep it in. Okay. So it's basically like a normal car, okay? So you're driving normally. The only thing that's different is that you have obviously clutch pedal and it's manual, but like the driving, it's normal. So please don't crash into the curb. Okay, so first you will put the clutch in. Put the clutch all the way in. The clutch all the way in. And I want you to like drive through the gear. So leave the clutch in and put it in first. Leave the clutch in. Put it in first. First is this way and up. Second is all the way down. No, that's fourth. Second, no, okay, here. Leave the clutch, make sure the clutch, is it all the way in? Make sure you leave it all the way in. So that's first, put in second, all the way down. Second, okay. Third, fourth, okay? So when you start the car, this is neutral. Whenever I tell you go in neutral, this is neutral, okay?
Okay.
So you're gonna put the clutch in and put it in first. Okay, so now you're in first. So to go, don't let the clutch out yet. So to go, you would let the clutch out slowly, let it out very slowly, and when the car's going, I'll be guiding you through it, but when the car's going, you're gonna let it out slowly and press the accelerator a little bit. Okay? Okay, so start letting out the clutch slowly, and you're gonna see the car moving at a certain point. Slowly, a little more. Okay, now it's moving, right? Yeah, oh, wait, no. We thought the e-brake was in. That was my fault, guys. The e-brake was on. I know there was something wrong. But you felt where the car was like grabbing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so clutch is in. Put it in first. Okay, now let it out slowly. A little more. Accelerate. Let the clutch out. Hey, now you're driving. So now clutch in. Accelerate out. Clutch out. Dang, you went a second. You went a second. Okay, now stop. So you would put clutch in. Neutral is in the middle. So now you just brake normally, like a normal car. Just brake normal. You don't have to put the clutch in. You can let the clutch out because you're in neutral. Every time you're in neutral, you don't have to press the clutch because you're normal. Well, he got it. That was your first official try because the first one he didn't have the e-brake on, so that was my fault. That was good. Wow, I'm really impressed. Okay, so let's do it again. You're gonna put the clutch in, leave it in, and put it in first gear. Okay, so now same thing all the way. Let the clutch go slowly, and then play with the accelerator. Let the clutch go slowly until we start moving. A little more. Okay, now it's it. Stall count right here. That's the first stall of the day. Okay. So now remember, slowly you gotta let go of the clutch. Accelerate. There you go. Drive normal. So now slowly let go of the accelerator. Clutch in. Neutral's right in the middle. Brake. See? Got it? That reason I'm telling you to stop so you can keep practicing your first gear. Yeah, first gear. A little more. You don't have to accelerate yet. No. Do not burn my clutch. Let it out a little bit more. Okay, now accelerate. Let go of the clutch, accelerate. Oh, that was perfect. There we go. Now you just neutral, clutch in. No, clutch in. When you have the clutch in and you accelerate, it's as if you were in neutral. The car won't go anywhere, and you're just burning the clutch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Let go of the clutch slow. There, you got it. Okay, now put the clutch in. No, it's okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, clutch in. Neutral, and just brake.
I'm sorry. It's for the video, it's for the bros.
We just stopped in the middle of the street. Oh my gosh. Oh, you got it. So clutch in, accelerator out. Perfect. There you go. Now you're just driving a normal car. Now before we get to the stop, let go of the accelerator. Before we get to the stop, you're gonna put it in neutral right now. Put it in the clutch in, neutral, and just roll into the stop sign. You getting the hang of it?
I got you.
I know, trust me. When I was learning, there was no camera, so now that there's cameras, it's just probably like, guys, we're making a U-turn interstate. So yeah, you can just make a U-turn over there and then just go back. Yeah, and we're also on a slight hill, so if you get this, that'll be good. Let the clutch out. No. Oh my god. What was that? Make a U-turn. Don't worry, guys, it's normal. So now you're gonna go clutch in.
Ponga segunda. So, el clutch lo vuelvo a pisar solo para cambiar la velocidad.
Sí, solo pisa, but don't let it out super fast. Let it out normal, pero no tiene que ser super lento como un primero.
I got you now.
I think we found out the problem. So like normal, you want to put the clutch in.
Clutch in.
first.
Go first.
Lay it out slowly.
Slowly.
That was good. That was perfect. So now you want to go worm first. Okay, pero no tienes que hacerlo así tan brusco. So now, if you want to go, no, actually no, this third, clutch in, like third is up. That's third. Okay.
That's third.
You can let go the clutch. Let go the clutch. So now I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna say go, stop at the stop sign, and make a U-turn.
Okay.
And I'm not gonna tell you what to do or anything. So.
Okay.
Clutch in, brake, 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 brake. Put it in here. Nope, clutch in. Clutch in, clutch in. My transmission went.
No,
Did you hear that?
No.
Did I project that? Yeah, you did.
No.
I'm gonna play back the clip in case you guys missed it.
You hear?
You see how you're going back? That's what happens when you're in a hill. That's why going on a hill in manual is really.
Estaba en primera, oh shit.
Stock out number 2. So you can turn it. He was so confused. Stall number 3. Chin and then turn on the car.
Okay.
My car doesn't even want to turn on. That's not good. You guys, you're doing great. You're doing way better though. When I started, the first 2 days I ever drove this car, I could not get it out. I always stalled every single time. Oh, stall count. What is that number? 6 or 5? Oh gosh. Brake, because you're going back. Oh my God.
What's going on here now?
Brake. You gotta brake. They kept staring at the car. This car gets so many looks. If only they knew what was going on inside the car. Oh my gosh, stall count.
Oh, why, man?
That's okay. Oh, there's a car behind you. Oh gosh. Oh, there it again. My car doesn't turn on. No. Okay, hold on.
What happened, Danny?
My car's not turning on. Oh god. Okay, put the clutch in. Yes! Oh my gosh! Can I drive so it doesn't stall, so it doesn't turn off anymore?
Alright, you're good.
Okay. Careful. Alright, and that does it for my brother-in-law learns to drive my stick shift 370Z.
I'm trying to do my best, man.
You did great. Did you like it?
Yeah, sure.
Do you think
this is only you need is practice?
Yeah.
Do it again. Do it and do it again. So you know.
Guys, that was not planned. My car legit did not turn on, and there was a truck behind us. Oh my gosh. I don't know why. All right, boys. That does it for the video. Now we're gonna. Well, not really. We're gonna do more stuff, but let's go ahead and head home. All right, guys. So I'm back home now. My car was like acting weird. Like I'm talking about. I'm third gear. I'm accelerating the car. Like it makes the noise that it's accelerating, but it's not. Dang, this is really, really annoying. I'm not even gonna touch the car anymore today. I'm just gonna leave it parked at the house. Don't let somebody drive stick shift when your car's kind of messed up. No, but he did great though. Huge shout out to him for helping out with the video and doing great. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because you guys wanted new things on the channel, and not just me and Brittany. Actually, it's me and Brittany, but hope you guys enjoyed. Actually, I was gonna leave, but let me pop the hood and just... What is going on, man? It's so weird. Honestly, I don't see anything off or like out of the ordinary. I mean, nothing's like super wrong. Just gonna leave her like that. Well, basically, guys, that's pretty much the end of the video. Brittany's back there, very, very sick. I don't know what's wrong with her. Like, I wish you guys could have like felt how it felt. That didn't make sense. I wish you guys could have like seen how it felt to drive her like after I did all that. Literally, guys, third gear, I accelerated it from every single gear and it did not accelerate. It was like really weird. I feel like it had something to do with the throttle bodies. I don't know, something like that, but Brittany might be out of commission for the rest of the day today, guys. That's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys leave it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, if it was entertaining to watch my brother-in-law learn how to drive stick shift. If you guys want to see him again in some of my other videos, make sure you also let me know in the comments below. And let me know in the comments below if you guys drive a manual or an automatic.
Was made up by people.
Yeah. And with that said, from Brittany and I, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.